Or GMGM. It's been a little while since I've made one of these, but someone was asking, how do you put HTML onto Bitcoin into an ordinal? So how do you inscribe your HTML? So I thought I'd do a very quick video just to show you how to do it. This is something that I did last year. It's very simple. It uses the content slash reference here to layer cursive images. And here what I did is when I put 5 different images together that when they all run one after another, it essentially animates them so it looks like the character's running. And then I put a very small script under here that basically animates it and runs through them one by one at a certain frame rate. So it's like a GIF. But this is all done with HTML code. Now, you cannot just copy this and inscribe it on here as a file or as text. Like, if you used to put it in here like that, that would do absolutely nothing at all. You just have a very expensive text file to inscribe that wouldn't do anything at all. So what you need to do is go to Files here. You'll go to your notepad where you have written your HTML. You can check it in various sites online. There's recursive.wildthings.com. This is a really handy site. You can just put your HTML in here and it'll show you what it looks like. I'll show you what I did. There you go. See, it's like link, just running. And this is just all HTML code. It's got me running at 30 frames a second. It's sometimes good to view it in here as well if you've already written it somewhere else, because you can see some of the references to what you're actually doing a little bit more clearly. But yeah, so that's what we do. And then, as I said, put it in Notepad. We press Save As. And here it says recursive link. That's what I just called it. But you would put .html. We'll save that on the desktop so it's easy to find. Then, if it's got a desktop, oh, you son of a bitch. There it is. You can see here it's a browser file. If we're to open this, frame, yeah, sure. There we go. So it's just a broken image because it's not going to do anything. It's all on chain. Whereas if you was to inscribe it, you would get a lovely little inscription that I can show you probably. Yep, there it is. There's the inscription that I did back last year. You can see. And because of how ODIO works, you can actually look at the source code on here. And you can see how it works too. So we know that it inscribes. Yeah, so there it is. Recursive link running away with his little shadow. Quite cool. Even got a little wobble on him. He's alright. But yeah, that's how you do it. So save your file as HTML. You go over to Unisat here. And then on the desktop we should see our recursive link somewhere. There it is. So basically then you would drop your HTML file into here. As you can see, it's 1.5 kilobytes. So these are really cheap to do as well when you use Recursion. It's only $5. So yeah, if you want to inscribe your HTML onto an ordinal, that's basically how you do it. Just set up your HTML as usual. And like I say, it is content slash and then your inscription order ID. So then that's basically the UTXO for your inscription. And you can layer them like this. There's a lot of guides out there to do it. But if you have any questions, pop them down below and I will try and answer them. Yeah, cheers, thanks, bye now.